everyone, I'm Mom and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I want to invite you all to the Useful DIY Challenge February 2021. This month's theme is Trash to Treasure. Your trash can vary from a piece of discarded paper or it can be a piece of furniture that has been thrown away, anything that you consider trash, and turn it into DIY it into something useful that you consider useful for your home or family or anyone. Let's meet the co-host of the month. She is Shushana from the channel Regal Designs by Shushana. Shushana is a very sweet person and does a variety of content on her channel related to home. She loves doing farmhouse style decor, does a lot of home related videos. You will love them. Does a lot of farmhouse DIYs. So if you're new to Sushana's channel, make sure you visit her. I'll put a card link above and also give link to her channel in the description box of this video. Let's get on with the rules of the challenge. Rule number 1, in the title of your video, along with all the words that you use these words, Useful DIY Challenge. Number 2, this is a DIY challenge. So you must show the trash you picked, the process and the final product and how you use it in your home. Number 3, you must be subscribed to both the channels, that is MomDas Life Handmade and Regal Designs by Shushana. In your video as well as in the description box of your video, please mention the host, the channels and the playlist, that is Mom from MomDas Life Handmade, Shushana from Regal Designs by Shushana, and also mention the playlist for this challenge and give the channel links and the playlist link in your description box as well, so that more people get to know about the challenge, can view the videos and participate in future. The final rule is the upload date and time. It is going to be on 16th of February 2021 at 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time, which is equivalent to 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The link to the playlist where you can add and watch the videos will be given in the description box of my video on the day of the challenge. If you have any issues adding your video to the playlist, make some noise, contact me and I'll help you out. All the rules will be given in the description box as well, and you can contact me through YouTube comment sections, community tab, and also through Instagram. The links are all given in the description box. I hope you will all join us, me and Shushana, on 16th February 2021 at 9:30 a.m. EST or 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time with your Trash to Treasure projects. And I thank you all, and I thank especially Shushana for being my co-host of the month. Thank you everybody. I'll see you soon with a DIY. A quick announcement about my Bonded by DIY collab. This is a collab I do with 2 guest channels twice a month. If you're interested in joining me in doing a DIY as a part of a collab, contact me.